What are controller remarks and what will I use them for? Controller remarks are a tool of communication between the WE system, the RepTool administrator, and the reporter. Normally, it will be the technical expert of the WE system, the RepTool administrator, who will use this tool. In case a charged controller may work on behalf of the WE system and may get controller rights. For rights on working with reports, see the video on system users. Only system users, in case the controller, may start to set controller remarks. The reporter will see the controller remarks and will have the option to answer them and in case to set them to solved and closed. See videos under Videos for Reporters on this. The individual control of reports and the option to set controller remarks is the third level of controller tools. Compare with and see videos on Inspect, the option to set and use inspection rules with which you mainly check the completeness of reports. The Evaluation feature with which you mainly check the plausibility of reports and the option to quickly find wrong or nonsense entries if you have properly prepared the evaluation rules. You will use the controller remarks for issues which cannot be checked by these tools. Examples for this are: is the yield of first fractions complete or are there typical fractions missing? Is the yield of fractions from treatment steps complete or is there e.g. a residue fraction missing from separation? Are components of final fractions complete or are there organic or inorganic residues missing in not pure fractions? And are choices of other plausible and okay? The symbol for controller remarks is the speaking bulb. In the list of reports, you will quickly see if controller remarks have been set to a report by seeing the speaking bulb with a symbol beside the report ID. We distinguish general remarks, which you may give to the report as a whole, see the upper area, or specific remarks, which may be given to any fraction, see the green line entries, or to the acceptor or the technology, see the blue line entries.